Hello everyone, welcome to SAP Connect. So in this session, we will learn how to mass reverse the document in SAP Finance, right? So let me log in first. So client is 800, user ID I have typed in, password I have typed in, language I have given English. I'll simply press enter. Now you can use the T code, type the T code F.80 in the transaction bar and hit enter. So you will be brought to this screen. So from this screen, from this T code screen, right, we reverse the document in mass, right? We reverse multiple documents in one go, right? So let me open one more session. So you can remember this T code F.80 for reversing the documents, right? Or you can simply reach to this screen from FB08 T code itself. So let me show you how it is done. Type the T code FB08 in the transaction bar, hit enter. Here you will get the option mass reversal. Just click on it and you will be brought to this screen itself, right? So let's carry out the mass reversal now. So I'll click on this icon, right? We can open maximum 6 sessions like this in one time, in one login. So now I'll type the T code FBL3N, right? This is for GL line item display, right? So this time I'm not going to post the document manually, right? Because this time we are going to reverse in mass. So it will consume a lot of time if I'm going to post the documents and then reverse them. So let me take one expense GL, click on all items. See, these are the documents already posted. Now what I will do is I'll copy the last 5 documents from this list. 1 2 3 4 5. So these 5 documents I have copied. Now I want to reverse these 5 documents, right, in one go. I don't want to reverse individually by going to FB08 transaction and typing in that document number one by one and then reversing the document 5 documents one by one, right? So what I'll do is I'll simply go to mass reversal screen. Here I'll specify the company code in this field. So now it's asking for document number. I'll give it later. So fiscal year is 2021. Reversal reason is a required entry. So this also reversal in current period only, right? It is test run. First of all, we will do the test run. It is already checked, so it's good. Now here I need to give the GL. I'll simply paste, right? Click on this button, copy, right? All the GLs are, all the document number are here. Now execute the test run. So now it is showing 1133 document. So these 3 documents were already reversed, right? So that is why it is showing that these documents are already reversed. We can't reverse the documents which are already reversed, right? So these 2 documents are not reversed, right? Mm, Document number 1086 and 1139, right? Here it is showing the document type, posting date, document date, right? The reference field and the company code, right? So to reverse it, we'll simply uncheck the test run and execute. Now you can see that the document 1086 posted in company SS41 got reversed with the document number 1142, and document number 1139 posted in company code same posted in the same company code got reversed with the document number 1143. So this is how we reverse the documents in mass. You could have given much more documents in the field, right? In this field you could have given n number of documents, right? You could have copied them and just clicked on this icon, copy from clipboard, upload from clipboard, sorry, and then you could have executed the test run and then executed it. So this is how we do the mass reversal of documents in SAP, right? And this is all in this session. In next session we will cover a lot more topic, right? Thank you so much.